Need to know if your vehicle's ready for DVS. Direct vision comes into enforcement actually on the 26th of October, and your vehicle, if it is 0-star rated, will require retrofit of required safety systems. The Scania behind me has been fitted with a blindspot nearside camera and 7-inch monitor. In this case, it's actually integrated into the factory fitted monitor, and also a fraud sensor side scan system to detect vulnerable road users and cyclists coming up on the inside. As part of that, the indicator has been triggered with a left turn warning device to alert cyclists and pedestrians when the vehicle is turning to the left. Okay, so this vehicle has been fitted actually with a 3-camera system, so not a couple more than required for direct vision, and it goes direct to an MDR hard drive to record all the data coming off the cameras. This may be where DVS goes to as part of the progressive safe system. So if you're having new trucks next year after, you may want to look at future-proofing your vehicle and taking an upgrade of the camera system. On the particular Scania here, we've actually integrated the cameras with the factory-fitted monitor, rather than having an additional 7-inch monitor mounted somewhere on the dash, with additional holes, etc. The in-cab alert is just based on the near side pillar. When the vehicle is turning left, the indicator has a trigger on it to sound a left turn warning to anybody on the near side of the vehicle, to let it know that it's turning left. The left turn trigger will also activate the blind spot near side camera and direct to the screen and just show that one particular view, allowing the driver to see any vulnerable road users down the near side.